Hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a what's on my iPhone 12. I haven't done one of these yet. If you haven't seen the unboxing that I did back in November, definitely click on the eye or down below. I'll try to link it down below. So yeah, let's just get started. So, and that's my hunter. It's just me and the Jonas Brothers. Before I really start, this is my case. It's from Casely. And then I just have a Jonas Brothers pop socket, of course. So I'm going to just move over. You can see the phone right here. So we have clock, camera, settings, AccuWeather, which I use a lot for the weather. I like that one. Clue, track your period. Gmail, Google, Outlook, which is for work. GroupMe, which I love to chat with different people on that. Messenger for Facebook. This is like my free money app. CrowdTap fetch rewards where you can scan receipts and get rewards. CrowdTap app, which is great. You can get points by doing different surveys. Receipt Pal, Receipt Haul, other receipt scanner app. T-Mobile Tuesday, so you can get free stuff on Tuesday. City Mobile, which is my bank app, and Amazon. So for TV, I have Files, TV, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu. And then here are my games: Solitaire, Toon Blast, Wordscape, Word Cookies, Kingdoms, which is like a Disney app that you can like build your own kingdom. It's actually really fun, guys. Rummitude and Toon's Journey. I honestly right now only play Kingdom, Toon Blast, and Wordscape. They're the only games that I play right now. Then we have productivity, which I really need to change that. Is messages and phone. Honestly, I really don't use them that often. I use like other social media apps. So then this is our social. We have Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Hinge, Bumble, for dating app. My Instagram, if you guys don't follow me, you should. I am trying to post a lot on stories. And yeah, I just post pictures. And then I said LinkedIn, Hinge, Bumble, Twitter. I do have a Twitter, but I honestly don't use it that often. The news app, I actually like to look up tech stuff, Slack for work, and then I'm part of Natalie Barbu Slack channel because I'm a Patreon member. Then WhatsApp, which I have a group chat with a few YouTubers. Then we have the calendar because I love the regular Apple Calendar. It's just amazing. And then I have Spotify because I love Spotify. If you guys see on the top, I have this widget that just says the date, and then I just have a stack that just says my battery, how much percent. Because here with the iPhone, for some reason, they don't show you percentage on the side, which is so stupid. So some widgets there, but I'm not going to show you guys because it has where I live and I don't want that. Then here in the app library, I have in the social, you guys, all the same stuff. Productivity and finance. I just have my other bank account, Zoom, Venmo, other mail apps and stuff. And then I have creativity, Afterlife, Canva, image editing, and edging is for my Sony camera, so I can take photos and send it back to my phone. iMovie, of course, Jump Rope, Fonto, which is where I make all my thumbnails, which you guys will definitely be getting a video on that. Photos, Pixie, Picard, different collage apps that I like to have. Scene, I forget what that is. I think Scene and Unfold are similar. TubeBuddy, VidQ, Visco, which is how I normally edit like Instagram photos, and then YouTube Studio, of course, to check analytics and all that stuff. Then we have like utilities. We have all like the normal stuff. Come with Apple. And then I have like call screen is actually great if you want to block calls. It's for Sprint. I'm sure other T-Mobile. I'm sure other ones have something like that, but it's so great for blocking calls. My Sprint, so I can check like data. Even though I have unlimited, I still like to check that. Google Assistant, so I can use my Google Home Mini. And yeah, and then I just have like a bunch of other apps. and the Google Home map, Pinterest. J-Swipe is for Jewish stating. Amazon Alexa for our Alexa downstairs. And then entertainment, I do have more entertainment apps. I have like the CBS app, Patreon, which I use for Natalie Barber's Patreon. I like to go on that. Roku, Apple TV, YouTube of course, and IMDb I use for work, and I just check like the time. I like to have the app. Then we have the shopping and food. We got all these Amazon, Best Buy, all like the normal stuff. I have Etsy, Starbucks, Stop and Shop, Target. I just like to go on those stuff for fun. I don't normally buy, just buy on Amazon. Information and reading. Got the weather, CBS News, CNN News. The Kindle app, Libby and Overdrive I use for my Kindle right here. And here are more of my games. I got like Alien Shooter, Best Fiends, all these other games that I sometimes play. And then I have Health, I have Clue, my fitness app, Follow My Health, which is like an app that like you can see information about your health and stuff. Emblem, which is insurance, and then I have the health app, and then we have education, which is Corsa, and then I have I have Google Maps, and then an MTA ticket app, and then an MTA app that I can use to track trains when I'm in the city. So that is what is on my iPhone 12. I hope you guys liked it. Figured it'd be a fun video for you guys to see because I enjoy watching these videos. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.